Configuring user groups. PathTrak 4.0 allows users and user groups to be configured so that the logged-in user only has permissions to do what he or she needs to do and only has visibility of those devices that they are responsible for. To configure the users and user groups along with their permissions and visibilities, click the Configure menu and select either User Accounts or User Groups. We will start with User Groups. In order to be able to configure or manage users or groups, the logged-in user must have system administrative permissions. User groups can be created with a specific set of system permissions as well as visibility down to a select number of devices from the entire system all the way down to an individual port. All user accounts that are subsequently added to the group will have those same permissions and visibilities. To create a user group, click the yellow Add button, then type a name for the group. We will create the NOC group. Once we've typed the name, we want to assign permissions for the group. So we click the Permissions tab. From here, we can determine what members of the NOC group are able to do. We would like for them to be able to put nodes in and out of broadcast, launch the monitoring view, launch the spectrum analyzer, launch the QuamTrak analyzer, and clear alarms. Once the permissions are set, we need to determine what this group has visibility to. So click the Access tab. From here we will see a hierarchical representation of the entire server. If we select the server, this group will then have visibility to every one of the devices on this server. If we wish to limit this group to a specific HCU, we select the HCU and only the RPM cards and ports beneath those RPM cards will be visible. For the NOC group, we will give them visibility to the entire system. Once set, click Add. And then Done. To edit a user group, go back to Configure menu, User Groups, highlight the group to be edited, click the orange Edit button. If we wish to change permissions, we can add a new permission from here. If we wish to change access, we can change the visibility from here. Once complete, click the Save button, click the Done button, and the group has been updated.